everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I have collaborated with Spoyl, where you can find Niconi products, and I'm going to show you a very easy skincare routine. It's almost like a facial at home using the products from Niconi. The products are super duper affordable. I am going to link them down below, and I also have a code you can use to avail more discounts. So if you want to check that out, then please do so. And I am so excited to show you the regime. Alright, let's get started. First, I used the cleansing cream, and I took a dollop size amount and I applied that all over my face. Now this works best when you have slightly damp skin so that the product emulsifies and spreads evenly all over your skin. So gently massage this all over your skin to gently cleanse everything. Next, I am going to use the massage scrub. Now this is a very gentle exfoliant for your skin. I took a little amount and I am going to spread this evenly and massage it all over my face. Remember to be very gentle, and I am focusing only on my nose and chin and forehead. As you can tell, my face has visibly cleared up. Like I can feel the product like really helped in cleansing my skin very well. Next, I'm going to take the wet face pack and apply a very light layer using my fingertips all over my face. This is a clay-based face mask, and it does not really dry all the way down. It's very moisturizing and it really helps in cleaning your skin. I kept it on for around 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and now I'm just using a wet cotton to remove this from my skin. And then I went ahead and rinsed my face too. Next, I'm going to use the Radiance Glow Massage Cream. I think this was my favorite step because it was so relaxing. The massage cream is a very heavy cream that helps in improving your microvascular network, and I am using it with my rose quartz roller, and it's just so soothing. It really helps in improving your lymphatic drainage, and it also really helps in improving your blood circulation on the skin. So massaging your face regularly is very important, and it has a lot of good effects. I also wanted to quickly give a shout out to the Feminine Intimate Wash. I think it's really great and very affordable. So if you wanted a new one, you can check this one out. So that's it for this regime. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to use the code in case you want to get anything for yourself. It is all linked down below, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.